Hello, America. This is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you with some more wonderful information this week. Today, I'm going to talk about 3 things I really don't like about modern appliances. First of all, I understand this, but why do I need that? Come on, really. The other is Wi-Fi. Why do I want to be able to start my dishwasher or change with my ovens or anything along those lines from my phone? Come on, let's get off the couch, let's get up, let's do the things we're supposed to, and we'll go from there. Third, really, Pandora on my fridge? Why should I want to be at the store looking inside my fridge? Come on, people. Let's do it the old-fashioned way. Yes, I'm old. And yes, see, I can be the old man and grandpa going, we had to walk 2 ways upstairs, both ways to school. So, I'm not quite that old yet, but I'm working to there. So, realistically, yes, I'm sure they are nice, but the 3 things I don't like I said, are the InstaViews that basically let you inside, the Wi-Fi, because really, how many of us are ever going to use it? And third, really, do we need a TV set and a stereo in our fridges? I don't think so. But those are my 3 things I don't like about the new appliance. But yes, but on the same token, they are very good quality appliances, don't get me wrong. Yes, I don't have any kids, so I don't need stuff like that. But if you've got kids, there are positives for all of the stuff I just talked about. But personally, me, like I said, I don't see a need for it. But like I said, if you've got kids, or you like the latest technology, maybe you do want to run your microwave while you're waiting for something while you're watching TV. That's completely up to you. But don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and come back next week for some more wonderful information. Have a good week.